The architecture of a production Claude agent. Stack ribbon lit. Every layer matters. Before any model call, the request hits the gateway. Auth, rate limits, the first line of defense, outside the model entirely. At the heart, the agent loop. Call the model, read stop reason, run a tool, append the result, repeat. This is L1 and L3 core. Everything else hangs off it. L0, the model router. Most steps go to Haiku 4.5, fast and cheap. Sonnet for the middle. Opus 4.8, only for hard steps that earn it. Smallest model per step, always. L2, reach. The agent touches the world through scope tools and MCP servers, a database, web search, and internal API. Scope is tight, 4 or 5 tools, not 40. L3, control. A pre-tool use policy hook gates the database and refund path, policy enforced in code, not prompts. And a sub-agent isolates noisy work in its own context window, returning a clean result. Prompts plain. At every structured output boundary, extract, classify, stamp a forced tool schema. Boundaries are schema-forced, never free-form JSON in a string. Cost plain. The system prompt and tools block almost never change, mark them with cache control. The stable prefix gets cached, and you pay roughly 90% less on every subsequent call. Reliability plain. An offline eval harness gates deploys, nothing ships that regresses. In prod, log 3 streams, stop reasons, tool calls, and hook blocks. That triad tells you everything. Escalation. Exit cleanly to a human on policy, complexity, risk, or explicit request, never on sentiment, and pass a structured summary card, not a raw transcript. The human starts informed. Pull back, the full stack, gateway, router, loop, scoped reach, policy hooks, structured boundaries, cached prefix, evals, logging, clean escalation. Not magic, the stack, assembled, guarded at every layer. Grab the Claude Stack cheat sheet. New here? Start at the bottom. Episodes 00 and 01. cca-f exam prep inside.